everyone, my name is Shaurya Tomar and welcome back to my channel Curious Shaurya. Friends, today I am going to tell you that how to make a Pong game in Scratch. So if you want to learn Scratch, so like and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So now I will show you that how to make this game. First I will open Scratch in my browser, like create. First, I will select backdrop. Now I will delete this site and now I will choose ball sprite and pedal. In this game, we basically hit the ball by this pedal. So now let's make the game. First, I will change the color of pedal. I will make it purple. First, I will code for the ball. I will select pointing direction. Now go to events. When green flag clicked, pointing direction 45 degree. Now I will go to forever. And now then I will go to motion and put here move 10 steps and change it by move 15 steps. And now I will take the condition if on edge then bounce. It means when we start the game, the ball direction will be 45 degree, and if it will touch the edge, so it will bounce and move step. As you can see, it has direction 45 degree. So now I will go to events. When green flag clicked, I am going to select its position. Go to X 130, Y 143, control, forever. Next costume, wait 0.2 seconds. Means when we start the game, its position will be there and forever it changes its costume. You can see. Now I will again select when green flag click, forever, if then, touching, pedal. Then I will go to variable and now make a variable and name it score. And I will delete my variable and I will put here change score by 1. It means when the ball touches pedal, the score will be changes to 1. Now I will go to motion and put there turn 15 degrees and now go to operators and drag and drop here, pick random 171 to 191 degrees. It means when the pedal hits the ball, the ball will turn 171 to 191 degrees. Now I will go to motion and drag and drop here, move 10 steps and change it 15. And now I will go to control and now drag there, wait 0.5 seconds. So now I will show you the demo. You can see when our ball touches pedal, the score changes. You can see, and when it touches the pedal, it will bounce. So you can see it touches pedal and change score by 1. Now I will go to pedal and now I will select when green flag clicked. Go to X -56 and -147 forever set X to, and now sensing mouse X. It means it will move with our mouse. You can see when I am moving my mouse, it is moving. So it is working. So now I will go to events, drag here when green flag click, and go to variable. When green flag click, set score to 0. It means when I have clicked on there, so the score will set on 0. So now our final code will be for the line. I am going to add line here because if ball touches the line, so it will restart the game. So first I will select its position 0. I want when the ball will touches the line and then the game will stop. For this I will go to event, and now I will select when green flag clicked, set go to x0 y minus 176 forever if then touching ball broadcast message game over. Then I will go to control and then stop all, and then score, and when green flag click, show score. So now let's see the demo. So our game is working. If you can see when the ball touches line, score will hide and the game will stop. When I will click again, so our ball score will be there, and now we can play game by this. So friends, if you like this video, so like and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video.